Are you ready to master global messaging with Wati? Because today, we're diving into how to set your time zone in Wati so your messages always arrive right on time, no matter where your customers are. First, log into your Wati account. You'll land on your main dashboard, which gives you an overview of all your Wati activities. Now, look for the settings icon. It's usually located in the bottom left corner of your screen, often represented by a gear or cogwheel symbol. Click on it to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, you'll see a list of options. Find the time zone option. It might be listed under general settings or account settings. Click on the time zone option. A drop-down menu will appear, showing a list of time zones from around the world. Scroll through the list to find your desired time zone. You can also start typing the name of your city or region to quickly filter the options. For example, if you are in London, you can start typing London. Once you've found your time zone, select it from the drop-down menu. Finally, and this is important, click the Save Changes button. This will save your new time zone setting in Wati. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your time zone has been updated successfully, and that's it. You've successfully set your time zone in Wati, ensuring accurate scheduling and message delivery. Now go forth and conquer global communications.